Yo, what's going on, guys? What's up? Lower this light a little bit, wait for some people to join in. There we go. What's up, guys? I'm waiting for a little more people to join before I really dive into the TA. I know this is important. What's up? NFL draft. We got 40 people on. What's good, guys? So, emergency. Yes, there is an emergency. We need to discuss it. Litecoin is falling. I was debating about making a video and publishing a video, but I felt like that was going to take too long. So I thought I would jump on a live stream, and then tomorrow we'll go into specifics as to why Litecoin is falling. So yesterday I made a video, or sorry, this morning I made a video and I posted a video and I said that Litecoin was pulling back down. And I said when Litecoin hit around, and I can show you right here. So I said when Litecoin fell to this price right here, at around $69 or $70, we were in the ascending wedge. So what happened was, yes, I did. I said this may happen if Bitcoin dipped, and that's what we need to talk about. So I want to show you the difference now between Bitcoin, and I'm going to really go. Do you guys want me to make a full video, or do you want me to do the live stream? Obviously, if I do a full video, you guys will be able to see the charts while I do it, but I need to know, do you want me to do a live stream, or do you want me to just do a full video and show you guys what it is that I'm talking about? Please let me know in the comments right now, live stream or video. Do you want the video right now, or just do the live stream explaining it? Do you want the full video now? Both live stream, video, quick, live. A lot of people are saying live. A lot of people are saying both. Give us a quick run through now. Do you want the video tonight? The video is definitely going to be out tomorrow, but do you want me to make the video for tonight or for tomorrow? Let me know. I need to know. Say what you got to say. Later. So later today, you want me to do it? What's up, Jerbear? Later, live stream for 10 minutes. Yes, tonight. Okay. So I guess I'll make a full video tonight then, since you guys are asking me. So basically what happened was, I want to show you guys what happened with Litecoin. I'm trying to read all your comments. Yo, Miguel says, I miss you. That's so funny. What's up, Miguel? I'm surprised you're actually in a live stream. I'll be back in 2 weeks. Don't worry. Oh, Miguel, quick update for my car before I jump into the crypto. I just bought a roof rack and then a sport cargo rack, so it's gonna look pretty dope. But otherwise, so what happened right now was we saw Litecoin pulling back down. So you can see right here, look at Litecoin's gradual retracement. We did break out of this ascending wedge that was, moving us back up to higher position, but we just ever so slightly broke down through it. Now look at Bitcoin's daily. This is Bitcoin on the daily. This looks a lot different. This plummeted right now. It plummeted. So we said when Bitcoin being the number one bear, the big brother, when we see Bitcoin, which is the major coin, the number one Bitcoin, when we see it drop and we see it plummet because we were overbought, which I said in today's video, you can quote me, I said in today's video, if we pulled back down on Bitcoin, volume is going to flow into the altcoins. It's going to trickle down into the altcoins, and that's what happened. So we saw Bitcoin plummet. We saw it plummet, and we fell, and that volume fell into Litecoin and slowly pulled Litecoin just a little bit. Not totally, but just a tiny bit. So with Litecoin being $69, Bitcoin is now currently trading at 49 on the RSI. So I'll make a video, I guess, later today after this, because I wanted to update you guys. With it back down to 50, we're good. Bitcoin's good. Bitcoin's in a very good position right now. I don't think it's going lower at all, and I'm going to make a video. This is it, guys. We already hit the bottom. The lowest Bitcoin could probably go is $4,960, and we're pretty much there right now, or $5,000 even. 5,000 is the bottom. I'll explain why. That's back at 50 RSI. Obviously, we can go lower and retest our high-low minimum moving averages. There's a bunch of places. I'm gonna discuss the probabilities of where it can dip down to. And that's why I've been saying, because I was reading a lot of the comments, a lot of you guys are saying like, oh, Bitcoin's falling, it broke down between your reg. Well, I told you guys, I bought in at 76.50 was 10%. Then I said $71 is 30%, so we're at 40% right now. And then falling back down. I told you if we hit $66, which I'll explain in a full video, that will be the next area I buy in. And then if we fall down to the RSI or the high-low MMA, that would be the last place we buy into. I would have made 5 Litecoin if I waited. Bitcoin, because Bitcoin just plummeted so quickly down, I don't think it's going to go much lower. I can make a video explaining how much lower it potentially could go down to, but I don't think it will. You can see with where we are right here being, when we were over here, we were overbought. Now we're back down to this line, which we've had as a gradual support. You can see it was acting as a very good support right here. That sent us down to 50 on the RSI. And now we're just trading out sideways. So we look okay. I don't think we're going to go much lower. Now, here's the thing. You'll notice if I just zoom out like this, we have this purple uptrend here, which is a rock bottom support. You see the high-low middle moving averages are above it. So this is pretty much rock bottom support, this uptrend. So if we do fall, you know, if we see this pull back, it'll probably hit here, which could be like $4,300. Do I think we're going to fall that low? No, because that will easily send us into oversold, which is possible, but I don't think it's going to happen. But logistically speaking, if we pulled back down, this is the bottom. This is our final, you know, support. So today's fall, today's, you know, tumble will ultimately lead us down to this price right here. I don't think we're going to go much lower. If indeed we fall lower, it would be something like this. We could go like this and then drop down. And this would be to the high-low MMA like this. We would hit that and not go much lower. And that price is right at $4,600. So obviously the lower we go here, the more Litecoin would drop, but I don't think we're going to go much lower. So we could potentially see a pullback down to there. I don't think that's what's going to happen. We're probably going to hit here as we consolidate out because we look much nicer on the RSI now that we're here. You'll notice we were pretty much chilling here for a couple weeks actually, or February all the way to March. We were trading 50 on the RSI and then we took off. So that's very possible that we're finally back down to that level. We could easily hang out here for another month and then go up higher. So we got 93 people in the chat and we only got 13 likes. That doesn't make sense. Can you guys leave some likes? Can I get some likes in the chat right now? Can we get some likes? Can we get this to like at least 50 likes on the channel, on the video, on the live stream? There we go, 24. Can we get it to 50? 50, 50? 27, almost there. Let's try to get it to 50, guys. 32, 91 people and only 36 likes. That don't sound that right. Let's get that a little bit higher. 41, there we go. That's awesome. That's a better ratio. Believe it or not, guys, if you do... Whoa! Hey, thanks, bud. Thanks, bud. I appreciate the donation. I don't know why you guys even donate to me on Super Chat. I'd much rather you know, use my Patreon and actually get something out of it than just giving me money. Because I feel bad if you guys just donate me Super Chats, you know. But thanks for keeping us in tune to what's going on. Everybody say thanks to Nurse Dan. That's super awesome. But you guys, you kind of understand what I mean by that. Like, you get, I feel bad when you just donate versus if you just use the, you know, oh, yeah, he is already a Patreon. I totally forgot about that. So, I mean, at that point, I'd say, like, maybe get a crypto TV shirt or a Litecoin shirt. I don't know. That would be, like, my only other suggestion because I feel like it's just giving money away when I'd rather you get something in return because then I feel like it's fair. But I do appreciate that all in all. But, yeah, the pullback happened because I did say, if you watched today's video, I said there is definitely a like button. That doesn't make sense if there's no like button. The pullback was necessary. I said if Bitcoin, because it's overbought, pulls back, it's going to trickle into Litecoin. That's exactly what happened. The cool thing is Litecoin is now very low on the RSI, very low, which gives us plenty of potential to move up. We have 100 people in the live chat right now. We got 55 likes. Pretty awesome. That's awesome. Auto unliking after liked. But so with Bitcoin just plummeting, it obviously sent Litecoin much lower, and it tanked Ethereum. Actually, guys, Ethereum looks really, 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 really good. That may be something to make a video on. Ethereum looks really good, guys. Like, really freaking good. Not gonna hold you. I might have to actually make a video later today discussing Ethereum, because I don't even want to show you guys this on camera. This is freaking insane. I don't know. To me, this gets me excited because, wow, I actually may just throw some money in there really quick because this looks, wow. I don't even know what to say. Like, I literally might just transfer over like some money right now and throw it into here because I think this looks amazing. We were overbought for so long. We have our beautiful uptrend. Not only are we pretty much almost bottomed out on the daily RSI, but if we check out the 4-hour RSI, you'll notice here that we're pretty much extreme. Holy shit, look at how oversold we are. We just tanked the oversold line right there. Extremely oversold all the way at the bottom. Beautiful drop. And then if we go to the daily, you'll see that the daily is pretty much, it plummeted all the way down to here. Beautiful level. And I think we're going to go higher very soon. So I may put into there for a short, like a quick short, and then run that up because I do think that's going to be very good. Can I even check my notifications here? I don't think I can look at that at the same time. But it doesn't have to mean something. You know, a lot of people are like, oh, oversold means nothing. It doesn't have to mean something to you. Truthfully, it doesn't have to mean anything to you because it means something to me. I'm here to give you guys my opinion on the market. I've noticed that there's trends, and I've noticed the price reacts the same way the RSI does. I've picked up on a different trade. It might not actually be that. It could be that when, you know, the RSI is down and oversold, it could mean that the market's up, or vice versa. But I played the correlation. I played the correlation between it, and now I can figure out the causation and whether or not that will start to move up or not. That's how I figured it out. So by looking at this, I can figure out that there is a pattern. It may not be obvious as to what the general RSI means, but I figured out a pattern towards where it will go, and that's where I can make money off of because I've figured out the direction that it can play out to. So very interesting. But that's why I'm saying the RSI may not have to mean something, but it can if you use it as a tool. That's why we have numerous indicators and we use numerous charts. We don't just use one chart. For example, Litecoin. If you looked at Litecoin's graph, Litecoin looked fine. You would have invested in there and you would have lost money. But guess what? We also looked at Bitcoin, and we knew if Bitcoin dropped, which it was going to, we knew that it was going to jump into, you know, Litecoin was going to end up getting affected by Bitcoin too, and that's why we saw Bitcoin pull back down. Also, guys, can you guys answer a question for me really quickly? So I wanted to make 2 videos. I thought they'd be pretty interesting, and I want to know if you were interested in them. And I guess I'll explain it in a little bit. I don't know why it's not on my computer. Weird. I don't know. I guess I'll comment it later. Somehow I must have deleted it off my laptop. That wasn't supposed to happen, but I'm telling you, I've been buying since $30. Phone's gonna die. We got 112 people in the live stream right now with only 62 likes, which is quite a little bit. Oh, so that's what I gotta do. I gotta turn on my notes. My notes are on. Weird. Yeah, can we try to get 100 likes? Is that possible? Can we get maybe 90 likes? Is 90 likes possible? How is there no like button? That's so weird. I appreciate you guys for being in the chat, but that's kind of weird why they don't give you like button options there. But we got 76. I guess that's pretty dope. That's a lot, actually. So I do appreciate you guys for doing that. So what do you guys say? Should I make a video tonight really explaining in depth what exactly it is? Sorry, I'm touching my shoes. Really in depth as to what it is that I was trying to mention. Should I really go in depth? Let me know. I need a bunch of you guys to comment right now. Yes. Comment yes if you want me to make a video tonight going in depth as to what it is. Let me see all the yeses, and then I'll know. But if no, then I can't do it. I need to see all the yeses in the chat before I know to make the in-depth analysis video tonight. Because I was just going to do a live stream. And I was like, why don't I just go on the live stream and ask you guys whether or not I should do it? But I needed to know if you guys were interested in it. Also, do you guys like my Litecoin shirt? Do we got a lot of yeses? See, we got one no. But we got a couple of yeses. We got 107 people in here, and we're only getting a couple of yeses. I don't know if that's going to be enough. We got a maybe. All right, I guess I'll make a video tonight. Sounds good. I'll make a video tonight. Again, want to give a huge shout out to Nurse Dan for doing the super chat donation for the $10. Super appreciative. You don't have to do that, truthfully, but I do appreciate everything. You know, it's all going right back into the channel. A couple of big things to, I'm very interested in it, but I also know you have a life. Yeah, that's true. So a couple of things, you know, okay, Miguel Reyes is a good friend from back home. That's why he keeps blowing up the chat right now. So shout out to you. Otherwise, I do drink coffee. That's why I'm super hyper right now. I drink a lot of caffeine. I love caffeine. That's how I make my videos so fast. I should be one of them auditors when you auctioners, you know, 100, 150, 150, 150, 200, 200, 225, 225, 250, something like that. Okay, as for you guys asking or wondering, you know, where does all the money go that you guys donate or Patreon and things like that? It goes right back into the channel. I really want to make that clear. It goes right back into the channel. Right now, I'm actually buying a bunch of stuff to help benefit the channel. I'm buying a better, like I made a video today, if you guys watched in the beginning, where I brought the camera outside and it was very shaky. It's an awesome camera. There's no image stabilization, so it's all shaky. So I'm actually going to be buying a gimbal, and I just bought a Shure microphone, which is awesome. So it'll cover up the wind, you know, when I go outside and it's super windy. So that'll cover that up. That'll make that sound a lot better. And it's all going right back into the channel, so it'll be pretty awesome. Otherwise, guys, let me make this video for you guys since you guys have been begging me and asking me so much to do so. I do appreciate the feedback. 100 people on my live streams. That's absolutely freaking awesome. So huge shout out to all you guys. You know, you guys make this what it is. And that's absolutely, I am so in awe and in shock that you guys actually made this possible. So huge shout out to you guys. Thank you for all the love and support. Stick around. I'll throw out the video tonight. Probably going to be late because it takes me about an hour and a half to, you know, make, and then an hour to export and upload onto YouTube. So expect probably like 10 o'clock-ish, and I got to eat. So otherwise, I'll see you guys in the video. Michigan, that's pretty dope. What's up, dude? But yeah, I'm definitely going to be making more live streams. So I know you guys are actually in love with the live streams, and you guys like when I make a ton of live streams. So that's what I'm going to end up doing. I'm going to start doing a lot more. Kind of like this because it's pretty awesome. And then, yeah, we'll play it by ear. But definitely more live streams to come because I like that I can record this on my phone and I can do a bunch of weird crap. Like, ready? Like, I can do a bunch of weird stuff on here. So I think it's pretty cool. Like, nobody even knows that I can do that. And there's a bunch of different things that I can do. That looks weird. I don't like that. But yeah, so definitely a bunch of stuff I can play around with. But yeah, shout out to you from the UK. That's awesome. 1:30 a.m. Yikes. And I guess I'll see you guys. Sorted over here. Hello, Bitcoin is going. Sup, boss? Keep up the good work, man. I'll see you guys in tonight's video. All right, guys? Mitch says, love the streams. Shout out to you, Mitch. Shout out to Tyler. I will not forget. But I'm actually just signing off of the live stream. So, hi from India. Wow, that's freaking far. That's awesome, actually. That's actually freaking awesome. I tipped you some bat today. Can't wait to see the video later. I appreciate that. I actually got to check that account. Thank you for reminding me. But otherwise, thank you. And I will see you guys. Love lives from France. Thank you. That's awesome. Shout out to people from France. I'm guessing I'm going to have to do some world tour or something to, you know, say hi to all you guys and head to all the different, head out to all the different, what is the vid going to be later? Hopefully a lot of you guys in the chat can answer him. Thank you. I appreciate that. Thank you, Gamma Traveling India. Some sort of tour or just going to a lot of the events and you guys can meet up with me. I think that'd be pretty awesome. Get some pictures with all the supporters. I don't want to call it fans because I don't think of you guys like that. Just like the Crypto TV family and you know, the supporters. But I'll see you guys later. Peace.